Diabetics breakfast recipe. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day and is of special importance, especially for diabetics. A nutritive breakfast for diabetics includes a combination of proteins, carbohydrates, and healthy fats that can help maintain blood sugar balance. The avocado toast is a light summer breakfast for people with diabetes. Avocado toast. Ingredients: 2 mashed avocados, 2 slices of low-fat mozzarella cheese, 4 pieces of whole grain toast, 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, 1/4 cup chopped basil leaves, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds. Spread avocado on toast. Place the cheese slices on it, then add chopped tomatoes, basil, and sesame seeds. Enjoy it. Oatmeal and almond milk mixture. Ingredients: ½ cup oatmeal, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 tablespoon ground cardamom or cinnamon, 1 tablespoon raisins or honey as a sweetener, berries or nuts, to the desired amount. Preparation: heat oatmeal with almond milk on low heat for 10 minutes until it reaches consistency. Then add cardamom or cinnamon powder and mix it with berries and nuts according to your taste. You can prepare it the night before, and put it in the refrigerator and it can be eaten cold. Note: almond milk is lactose-free and is suitable for people who are sensitive to lactose, as well as for people who are vegans who do not consume animal milk. Raisins with a medium glycemic index are wholesome food for diabetics because of their high nutrients and vitamins and their excellent properties in fighting anemia, cancer, and reducing inflammation, which can also be used as a sweetener. But consume amount moderately. Please, if you find this video useful and made your breakfast with this recipe, leave a comment. Thank you so much.